the waive of interest will work in Jainam Software. So just have a look. Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video we are going to see how the waive of interest will work. So just have a look. So from the search bar I will search one customer. Let's say F-34. F-34. So I guess just go to the customer all list and just refresh. Okay, so here I have created some customers. So let's say F-3. F-3. So this customer, I will just click to the loan. So from here, let's say personal loan of 10,000, rate of interest 2% monthly, and let's take for 10 months, and for interest with principal. So here the disbursement date is, let's say 1st of Feb, and the installment start date I will keep 1st of March. So here I don't want to waive off the interest between the 1st Feb and the 1st March. So I will just unclick this option and calculate. So here I have added some fees and charges, that is 708. So deduct document charges from principal. So I have the total pay is 9292. So I will just save this loan. So after that, in the customer loan approval, just go to the approved section, and from here just approve the loan, change the status, and from approved section just disburse this manually. So loan number 31 is created. Now let's search loan number 31 from the search bar. So here you can see this loan number 31. If I go and click the installment tracker, so here you can see the first interest part is collected for, so first from the 1st Feb to 1st of March. So 187 only the interest part is collected and it will not be waived off. So the installment, next installment is interest with principal of 1200. So it will work according to that. So the waive of interest function will work like this, and we can just receive interest from the this receive option. So for example, let's say 187 received by cash. So I will just click to receive. Now let's go to the installment tracker and just refresh. So here you can see interest is received on 11th of March. So this type we can manage loan account and waive of interest very easily in Jainam Software. So thank you friends for watching this video, and for more videos I will come back. Don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.